much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is the last Metropolis Monday for the month of January. I am so sad. I have been loving this NATASHA DENONA Metropolis palette. It has easily become one of my favorite palettes. It just works out so nice. The shadows are impeccable. Everything is creamy, smooth, blendable. I am obsessed. So for the last Metropolis Monday, we chose out each other's shades and we will be creating two looks. One eye will be one look, the other eye will be another, and they are shades that we haven't used yet. This palette is massive. The color combinations, the different looks are endless with this palette, and I'm very stoked for the shades that she chose out for me, and I hope she's excited for the shades that I chose out for her. And yes, spoiler alert, I did give her the poopy color because she hasn't tried it yet, and I just wanted to see what she was gonna do with that shade. I will link our previous Metropolis Monday videos as well as my collabs playlist to watch previous videos. And if you're visiting from Riri's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. So she chose out the shade Shed, Lethal, Crest, Rhizome, Antique. This is the color story we'll be working with. And these are the shades swatched. Man, this would be a perfect color story for the fall. I am obsessed, and oh, that green, it is so gorgeous. We have a nice balance to work with. We definitely have two creamier shadows, one matte and two shimmers. This is definitely doable. She definitely chose out a nice color story for me. I do appreciate that. This is like the first time I've ever done this style of video, and I know I got really excited choosing out my shades for her, so I hopefully didn't sabotage her, but she did a fantastic job for me. It's gonna be a very chill video, hopefully very relaxing. It's just gonna be me creating the looks, so grab a snack, grab your brushes, let's create some looks together. Before we begin, if you're not following me on TikTok, please do. I just started. It's the same as my YouTube name, ayyyeeeitsamanda. At Ross, I found this container and it fits a good chunk of my brushes. This was $3.99. They only had two in pink, so I bought both of them. They also had blue and gray. This is a lot of brushes, and I gotta say that's not even all of them, but the second one that I got, beep, it is holding some lip products, some little miscellaneous right here, mascara, eyeliner, and at the top, I put some lashes. So I feel a lot more organized on my vanity. Better yet, I can actually see my vanity. guys enjoyed this video with the two different looks. One is a little bit more wearable while the other is a little bit more fun with the halo. Let me know if you have the Metropolis palette. What are some of your favorite color combinations? I definitely want to explore the palette a little bit more. I had a lot of fun with all the video ideas with the colors that we were given, and it truly has inspired me to really think out of the box of all these different color combinations. I think it's just endless ideas and looks, and I'm just beyond obsessed with this cream formula. Don't forget to let me and Riri know what palettes you would like to see next in a Metropolis Monday style video. Me and her have definitely talked about wanting to continue the series somehow with some other different palettes, because me and her have a very extensive eyeshadow collection and we would love to get use out of our palettes, especially one like this that is a top dollar palette, $129. Not every palette in our collection is that expensive, but we have a lot of mutual palettes. I think it would just be fun to do this. And don't forget to check out what shades I picked out for Riri and seeing her two looks. Her video will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your review anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.